Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Hyboko's pink interesting sleeve sweater. So this is the front, this is the back, and then it goes all the way and then curves in the front. And then the sleeve itself has a little split, or yeah, the cuff. It's off the shoulders, it's way off the shoulders, like mid-arm almost, which could make a really cool effect. And then the bottom looks like that. So let me go ahead and try it on. I'm interested to see what it looks like. So here are the sleeves. As you can see, it curves all the way around and then all the way back. For more product reviews, please make sure to keep watching, subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about this sleeve. And if you do want to purchase it, check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.